standard in Srivaita school. Here I am explain about what is the Constitution and fundamental rights and duties. The Constitution of India is the supreme legal authority which means the legislative, executive and judicial organs of the government. The Constitution grants all citizens fundamental rights and empowers the independent judicial to individual legislation or government action which violate the Constitution. The Constitution written by Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Fundamental rights. Pradhamika Hakkulu. Right to equality. Samanatvapu Hakku. Right to freedom. Swatantrapu Hakku. Right against explanation. Pidanaanni Vidhinche Hakku. Right to freedom of religion. Mata Swatantrapu Hakku. Culture educational right. Samskrutiki Vidya Hakku. Pradhamika Hakkulu. Fundamental duties. Pradhamika Vidhulu. To abide by the Constitution. Rajyangaanni paadinchadam. To respect the national flag and national anthem. Jatiya Jandanu Jatiya Geethanni gauravinchadam. To protect and preserve the culture heritage. Samskrutini Varasatvanni kaapadadam. To protect and improve the natural environment. Prakriti Paryavaranni kaapadadam మరియు మెరుగుపరచడం. To develop the scientific temper. శాస్త్ర దృక్పథాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయడం. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood. సమరస్యాన్ని సాధారణ సోదరభావాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించడం. To strive towards excellence. ఉత్తముణ్ణి సాధించడానికి ప్రయత్నించడం. To provide opportunities for education. విద్యకు అవకాశాలు కల్పించడం. To promote the interest of the weaker section. బలహీన వర్గాలు ప్రయోజనం చేయడం. Thank you given the opportunity.